Well, good evening. I'm Akram. I'm the President and CEO of MetroHealth System, and I would like to welcome you tonight to our humble abode. On behalf of the entire MetroHealth family, we are very appreciative that we can host Global Cleveland and community partnership in bringing welcoming welcoming America to Cleveland. Now, I was delighted to do this because I am an immigrant. I came here from Egypt at the age of 12 and a half. That's almost exactly 39 years ago, if you want to do the math. And I came here because my family, as Christians, were not being given the opportunity. So my dad took the entire family and brought us here. Now, what my father neglected to tell me was that you guys didn't speak Arabic and didn't speak French. So I was 0 for 2. So I honestly didn't speak a word of English, and I had some really wonderful friends who helped me get through here. I'll tell you a little bit about it. But we're really thrilled to work with Joy Roller, the President of Global Cleveland, and community partners in bringing you this film, Welcome to Shelbyville. It is wonderful that it's being shown here, very appropriate, because for 175 years, MetroHealth has served the majority of newcomers to our great city. So this is a fitting place for a setting for this film. And as this region's public hospital, MetroHealth is a part of the fabric of our entire community. Here, not only do we see patients who are of every possible background and nationality, our staff also reflects that as well. And as a part of our continuing commitment, I have announced that the Diversity and Inclusion Department will no longer report to any other executive except the CEO. So it will be reporting to me directly. This is in our attempt for us to be more inclusive as possible, because each and every one of us is different from everyone else. I can tell you that with 3 daughters, I think they have 4 personalities. So, inclusions and issues raised in the Shelbyville movie are really near and dear to my heart. As I said, I moved here 39 years ago with my 2 older brothers, my mom and my dad. We had to start all over. We left everything behind. We all had to learn English. My dad was the only one who spoke it fluently. Actually, I can't say that. He still doesn't speak it fluently. But he spoke it the best. So we had to learn a new language, assimilate into society. And what was the greatest thing about America, and still is today, we quickly reaped the rewards of our hard work. That is still the promise of America today. Many times we had to make our way, and it seemed that in New York, even at the melting pot, that people didn't want us there. As challenging as that was for me as a young teenager, I was fortunate to find a supportive and welcoming teacher who believed in me and who helped me find my way around. Also, by serendipity, there was another student who came 6 months later. He happens to be an Israeli student from Jerusalem. He had the greatest advantage. He spoke Hebrew, he spoke English, and he spoke Arabic. We became inseparable. And I learned all the excellent Yiddish sayings in New York. So on a personal level, I will always do whatever I can to welcome people to this great nation of ours. I know I couldn't be a CEO of a healthcare organization like MetroHealth if not for this company. So we are thrilled to have you and welcome you here tonight. We look forward to our future together, and we will do our part in helping you assimilate, get the health care you need, and become more of a fabric of our community.